Hi guys, so as you know, Sephora had a sale in the past weekend and the weekend before that for Rouge members. It was 20% off of your whole purchase. And Sephora only does those sales like I think twice a year, so I took advantage of the sale and I just wanted to show you what I got from the sale in this Sephora haul. Now I'm going to start off with this Agave lip balm from Bite Beauty. I love this so far. It really just stays on the lips for a very long time and keeps them moisturized. Next, I got this little duo from Briogeo. It comes with the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. And then also the Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. I bought the mini sizes because I just wanted to try them out. And I think it'd be nice for me to get the small size before I spend the money on the big size. Next, I got an Ole Henriksen set. It comes with the Truth Serum, full size, which is 1 ounce. Yep, 1 ounce. It also comes with the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I hear so much about this stuff, so I just wanted to try it out in the set. It was worth it to get the set. And then it also comes with the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. And then for nighttime, comes with the Goodnight Glow Retin ALT Sleeping Cream. So we're gonna try that out as well. Next, I got this Boscia set. And it comes with the Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. It's a pretty good size. It'll take me a while to go through it. And it comes with the Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. And it also came with their Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. Really excited to try that out as well. Really into skincare lately because I have a couple pimples here and I'm just trying to find what works for me. Next, I got a Drunk Elephant set. Skincare set, obviously, because they're only skincare. I want to say 90 something or $88. But this full size right here is $90 or $80, one of the two. So it's kind of worth it to get this set if it's only a few dollars more, in my opinion. So I got the TLC Glycolic Night Serum, which I've gone through a couple of these before and I love it. And it also comes with the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I've also used one of these up before and I love it. It's one of the best eye creams I've ever had. You also get a mini size of the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration System. I also like this as well. I'm really into the Drunk Elephant because I know it works and there's no harsh like chemicals in it or anything. I also got the Bestie, I think that's how you say it, Jelly Cleanser. It's like a mini size. Then you also get a mini size of the Lala Retro Whipped Cream with it as well. So you get all these for pretty much a little bit more for the price of the full size, but you get the full size with all these, so it's a pretty good deal. Plus 20% off, it's worth it, in my opinion. I don't know. A lot of people call me crazy for spending all my money on this, but it's fine, you know? Money comes back, in my opinion. Next, something that I'm really excited about is this Dr. Jart Maskapalooza. And it literally has every single mask that they make. So I've used 2 of them so far, because I got this, I think, 2 days ago. So I'll show you the inside. It has every mask, every type of mask. They have these shake and shot masks, all different, 4 kinds of them. You get these. +1 because I used one of these kinds. I used the brightening one. They have one for like every concern you have. I also got these with it. So many, I can't even show you guys all of them. And there was one more in these that looked like these ones that I used. It was like the clearing one for like acne. Then it comes with 4 of the bright, of the rubber masks. You get, I haven't used any of these, so you get the bright lover. Whoops. You get the firm lover. You get the clear skin lover. And you also get the hydration lover rubber mask. So I'm really excited to try these out. I haven't tried any Dr. Jart products before this, but I always wanted to try their face masks, so I just got every single one because it was 20% off, so it was worth it to me. Next, I got one of like the Sephora favorites kits of like the skincare one. I think I got all of this for $75. But they're like really expensive products for the full price or full size, so I think it's a good deal. I got the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads in the set. These next items are all going to be in the set. You get the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. And you get, I'm trying to see how much you get in this. Anyway, it's like a deluxe sample size. Next it comes with the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, which I've already used a little bit of. I like it pretty much. I don't know. It doesn't really stand out to me. I got another little sample of the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. And it also came with a Cactus Water Moisturizer from Boscia. Next, there was a Shiseido Beneficence, sorry, really bad at pronouncing things. I don't know how to say that word. Wrinkle Resist 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream. It's like an eye cream, I guess, that you put underneath your eyes. I put it on at night the past 2 nights, and I don't know, my face has been really, like, I don't have makeup on right now. It's pretty radiant since I started using these things. So, and my pimples have gone down a lot. They're kind of just scabs at this point. Gross, I know, sorry. Next, I got the SK2, I think that's how you say the brand name, Facial Treatment Essence. A full bottle of this on Sephora is like $115, so I'm glad that I can like get the small size in this set to try it out. It's kind of like a toner because it says Skin Balancing Essence. So, usually toners balance the skin, so I used it as a toner when I tried it out for the first time. Next, I have another Truth Serum, and I've used this before, and I really like it, so that's why I got it in the other set, the big one. But I'm using this up first. I just thought it was a nice little bonus to have a little one for when I travel. Next, which I thought was cool, was I got a little mini Brazilian Bum Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro. It smells so good. It smells like beach vacation to me. I don't know how else to describe it. Or like suntan lotion, but like really good, yummy suntan lotion. I thought it was cool that they included this in the set because it wasn't like skincare for your face. It was more like a body cream. So I thought it was different because I don't usually buy body creams because I don't like how they feel on the skin. They just like sit on top, but this I used on my hands the other night and it felt so good. It just like absorbed in. Next, I got the Tarte Drink of H2O moisturizer. Yeah, I've never tried this before, but I like the gel moisturizers because they just sink right in. They don't sit on top of your skin like a cream does. Oops. Next, this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm came in the set. And I hear a lot of people say good things about these cleansing balms. I want to try out the one from Clinique too, but I figured I'd try this one out first since it came in the set. Then with the set, I got 4 serums. I got the Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil. I also got the Vino Perfect Serum, Radiant Serum from, I want to say that brand's called Caudalie. I don't really know. I've heard people say it before and I don't know how to say it, so there's that. And then next, which I thought was really cool, I got the Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. And this is really expensive for a full bottle as well, so I'm excited that I get to try it out in this little mini version before if I decide if I want to spend the money on the full-size product. And then last but not least for this set, we're not done yet, but Midnight Recovery Serum from Kiehl's. And I've used this the past 2 nights and I feel like it really does a good job of exfoliating like chemically overnight because my skin has been really smooth and it's really helped clear this up here. So makes my skin radiant too, and I don't feel like dry in the morning. I still feel like the products are nice and like moisturizing my face overnight, you know? So that was all for that one Sephora Favorites like skincare set. Next, I got this trio from Fenty Beauty. You get a primer, the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And then it comes with a foundation. And then you also get the foundation brush that goes with it. And it's for like a cheaper price if you were to like buy them separately. So I thought it was a really nice deal for me to get all 3 of these because I have another one of the other foundations that I really like, but I feel like it was worth it for me to just buy these as well with it because it was cheaper in the long run, plus the 20% off. So, yep, there's that. And then to go with that, I also got the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the newer shade Unbutton. Really love the packaging on this one. It's so pretty, but it's like the perfect nude. I wore it last night, and I don't know, it just goes really good with my like lighter skin tone for the winter time. It's like a brownish pinky nude that like everybody needs. So, really like that. Next, I got the Guerlain Laure Radiance Primer. It has real gold flake in it. I don't know if you can really tell, but it looks really cool and luxurious and pretty, and I was just excited to try it out. I don't know. I've never really bought any luxury things like this expensive before for like a primer. It's like $78, but it was 20% off, so I bought this. I don't know, I just thought it was a nice like little piece to have on my desk. I probably won't eat it. I probably won't wear it that often because it's so expensive, but just something cool that I thought, I don't know. It's very pretty, very pretty. Oops, can I put this back on now? Okay. Yeah, and it's like a glass bottle, so it's heavy duty and it has a gold imprinting of the brand on the top and right here. Kind of looks like a high-end perfume to me, so I don't know, I just really like it. I'm excited to try it. I haven't tried it out yet because I'm scared to open it. Next I got the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Translucent. And I always have heard so many beauty gurus talk about this. Like when I first got into makeup, this was like the high-end powder that everybody was using. And I never really got a chance to buy it, never like got around to buying it, but I used it last night for the first time and I really like it. Like, I don't know, it really smooths out like your pores right here when baking or like setting your under eyes. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look that interesting. I don't have much to say about it yet, but so far, I see why people rant about it. I have to use it for a little longer before I realize that I like actually like love it, but there's that. And then another thing that I got was a set of beauty blenders. Forgot about those. Hang on one second. In this set, you get 4 beauty blenders. And it's like the holiday set. And I really like the colors. I think they're really pretty and like unique because I've never really seen the yellow beauty blender before or the green. I don't know if they've ever released singly, but I've seen the sapphire one and the original one, but I wanted to get them separate. I mean, in this thing because it was $60 and each beauty blender is originally like $20 by itself. So it'd be $20, $40, $60 already paid for the set. And then you get 1 beauty blender. Then on top of that, the set also comes with 4 cute little peppermint looking like the blender cleanser, and they all smell like peppermint, and there's 1 for each of the colored beauty blenders. Whoops. They're running away from me. So yeah, I just thought it was a good deal because I do use a beauty blender every time I do my makeup. So if I stock up now and like have them back up, that's not that stupid of a purchase, which most of my makeup purchases are kind of pointless. Last but not least, the most beautiful thing that I have ever purchased is this new Huda Beauty Nude palette. It is so freaking pretty. The packaging is like holographic when you see it in the sun. And then when you open it, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it this way so I don't mess it up. You get this huge mirror. Oops, okay. Okay, everything's falling. You get this huge mirror. And then you also get this little card inside of like her face on it, which I think is a really pretty touch. I'm definitely gonna keep it to like protect the shadows. And it's like a plastic, it's not like a cardboard. I don't know, it feels heavy duty like it won't ever break. And then you get these beautiful freaking shadows. I'm so afraid to dip into this because it is so pretty. I don't want to ruin it. But you get like literally a concealer shade for a base, which I think is really clever. I've never seen anybody put that in a palette before. And then you get all these like matte shades that are good for like every day. And then if you ever want to glam it up, you have so many glam shades. You get like this beautiful foiled gold. You get this like pretty pink gold. And they have like flakes of like iridescent glitters in them. Except these two are more just strictly glitters. And then you get this one, it's like a taupe brown. Can't wait to create some looks from this. I might try to recreate the look that she has on her eyes right now, but I feel like compared to all the colors in here, this look is very basic. Since there are so many like sparkles and stuff in this that I could like definitely make a statement look with this, and I'm so excited to dip into it. So we'll see how that goes. I might do a first impressions video with this. Yeah, it was originally $65, but with the coupon for the sale, I got it for $15 off, which I thought was a really good deal. I mean, you're getting these different kinds of foiled shadows and a bunch of mattes for that price, and like it's more expensive and all, but like I've heard good things about it, and I don't know, it's just such a pretty palette that I could use for like almost every day, so I'll get a lot of use from it. Yeah, so that is all for today for my Sephora haul. And holidays are coming up and like Black Friday sales and all that, so I'm sure there'll be another haul coming soon within the next couple months for sure. I'm always buying random makeup and things, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and thank you.